Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to start question number 1 of exercise 1.3. In this exercise, 5 types of equations are given to us. We'll solve it one by one. Let's start with question number 1, which is of type 1. Let's see, this is equation number 1. As you see, this equation itself is not a quadratic equation, but this equation is reducible to quadratic form. Let's see how we are going to reduce it. We'll do it by substitution. And what substitution we are going to make? See, here is x square, one term is x square and one term is x to the power 4. So we'll suppose it let y is equal to x square, and when we are going to square it again, then it will become y square is equal to x raised to power 4, right? So this type of substitution we are going to make. Now equation 1 becomes, इक्वेशन 1 हमारे पास क्या बन जाएगी? इक्वेशन 1 becomes 2 instead of x raised to power 4 we'll insert y square minus 11 instead of x square we'll insert y plus 5, that is equal to 0. Now this equation has become a quadratic equation. We'll solve it either by applying algebraic identities, or by midterm break factor, or by completing square method, or by quadratic equation. So you see, this equation can easily be factorized by midterm break factor. Let's quickly recall what is midterm break factor. We just multiply first term by last term. Here first term is 2y square and last term is 5, so it becomes 10y square. Then what we do is we'll write all the factors of 10. Here it is 1 and 10 and 2 and 5, and from all the factors we have sorted out of those factors we just select, जिसको हम वो वाले factors select करते हैं जिसको हम add या subtract करते हैं तो middle वाली term बन जाए. So you clearly see 1 and 10 जब हम add और subtract करते हैं तो हमारे पास 11 बन जाता है. But we have to take care of signs as well. So instead of 1 we'll write minus 1y, or we can simply write y. And instead of 10 we'll write minus 10y. आप देख सकते हैं ये आपके पास मिडिल टर्म ब्रेक फैक्टर हो गया. सो आप इनको ऐड करेंगे तो -11y बन जाएगा. इनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो अगेन यू गॉट 10y स्क्वायर. नाउ वी गुड 4 टर्म्स. नाउ फ्रॉम फर्स्ट टर्म वी विल मेक अगेन पेयर्स, एंड फ्रॉम फर्स्ट 2 टर्म्स वी आर गोइंग टू टेक कॉमन. Here y is common, so we are left with 2y, and y is outside the bracket, so we are left with just 1. Now we have to clearly see, now these two terms are going to be paired out. What factor we have to take common? Here 5 is common, but we have to take about the sign as well. So हमारे पास यहाँ पे 2y है तो यहाँ पे भी 2y ही बनना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे plus 2y है तो that is why we are going to take -5 common. Minus into minus become plus and becomes minus 2y. Minus is 5 is already outside, minus into plus is minus, and we are left with just 1. So again you see minus ये 2y minus 1, ये हमारे पास क्या है? This is again the common thing which is present in this equation. So again we'll take this common. 2y minus 1 is common. We are left with y here and we are left with 5 here. So now we got two factors. What we write? Either 2y minus 1 is equal to 0, or you can say minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we'll just find out the values of y here. See, now the equation was in x, but we got the answers in y. So what we are going to do here, we'll resubstitute. We'll give the value of y again. What was substituted instead of y? That was x square. So instead of y we'll write x square, that is equal to 1 by 2. Here also instead of y we'll write x square, that is equal to 5. Now let's see. We just need the value of x. We don't need x square over here. तो हमारे पास क्या है? We have to remove the square. In order to remove the square, we'll take square root on both sides. Again here we'll also take square root on both sides. Okay, now square will get cancelled by its root and we are left with x, and here we'll get 1 over plus minus 1 over under root 2, and here we'll get again square will cancel by 2 and we are left with plus minus square root 5. Now we got all the answers of x, so we'll write at the end the solution set. Solution set, since we are using the term set, so we'll use the curly brackets and we'll write all the solution set plus minus 1 by under root 2 and plus minus under root 5. So this is the complete answer. Hope you understand the sum, and we'll do the next question in the next video. Thank you so very much.